All right, guys. So, just to recap where we were yesterday. So, we were right around the 38 range yesterday when I said we're going to come up and test these areas. And we did. We went up to 39.9. We passed that. We said we'd like to test this 40,400 area. We blew past it. We blew past both of these areas with single prints, and I'll come back and touch on that here in a second. And then we came up here to this sell tail at 42.5 about. So, in fact, we went a little bit above it. Now the question is, where are we going next? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? And it's a valid question. You have to look at this here for a second and see where we could go next. I mean, we could fill this area in here to the right. You can see we're kind of stuck here on this high volume node right now at this sell tail. If we do go up, I could see us hitting, 43.6, 43.5. If we go past 43.5, then I for sure see us hitting 44,000. Now, the question is, will we go higher than that? Possible. We could also just come right back down right now. We don't have to go up. There's nothing really indicating that we need to go up, and I'll go to the regular chart here in a second and show you that. But in the immediate short term, if we lose, call it 41.5 area, then, and I'm on the Bybit chart, then we will most likely come down, and we'll come down at least through these single prints here and retest this area right around 39.5, let's say, 39.3, and we'll either bounce or we'll continue to fall back down. So these are going to be some areas you really want to watch for. So let's say 39.4, 39.5 area, and 41.5. We lose 41.5, we'll probably fall through here pretty easily. And then going over to the regular charts, okay, over here on the regular Bybit chart now, if we look at the 4-hour chart, remember we talked about this yesterday. So we're trying to fill these areas in here. We're trying to fill them in here, and look, we came right up. We came past my white lines, which were really easy targets to hit, and we are up here now bouncing off these high volume nodes. So like I said, we could come up here and hit 43.6. To get to 44 is possible. There's a lot of resistance in here, a lot of resistance. This area right here makes me think we could hit 43.6 pretty easily and then maybe come back down. But like I said, we don't have to. We could go to that 41.5 area and start to just descend down into this area here and fill it, and then bounce back up and spend a little bit of time in this area until we get it all filled in. Okay, 5-minute chart. We're rolling over here a little bit on this 5-minute chart. This regression line is still heading up, but we are starting to roll over. We have the silico hole indicator that is a little bit blue, wanting to curl up, but it doesn't look very strong. So we could just come back down here. However, if you look at the 15-minute chart, we are on a pretty substantial uptrend, and if you look, we're about 42.8 at the bottom of that Keltner channel. And on the 30-minute, we're at about 42.6. So 1 hour, we hit that Keltner channel on the 1 hour, and we look like we just started to descend ever since. So we might just come back down. But like I said, if we do go up anymore, I think we'll see 43.6 and maybe 44. And then we'll come back down and we'll fill these areas in. So keep an eye on those areas. Watch those areas. I'll head back here really quick to the profile chart. So just to recap here, if we lose about 41.5, I expect us to come down to this area here and test at least down here to this area, 39.3, 39.4. And if we go up, you guys already know my targets. Once again, this is not financial advice. I would never tell you when to buy or when to sell or when to short, when to long. This is just for your own entertainment. This is just for my opinion and my practice that I do. I hope you guys like the charts. I hope you guys like the info. And please like, please comment, please share. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much.